I'm going to show you how to level cakes two different ways. For the first method, we're going to use a ruler. Right now I'm using this combination square, and I'm going to place the toothpicks at the mark of 2 inches tall. You can use any ruler you have available in your house. You're going to do this all around the cake. So I placed about 8 toothpicks. Now with my long knife, I'm gonna score my cake. Just a little indentation. And we're gonna use that as a guide to cut around the cake. Cut through the cake, just following the guidelines that we just marked. We're gonna pull out the toothpicks once we're done, and our cake is level. For the second method, we're gonna use a Wilton cake marker. The top 2 markers are moving all the way to the top, and I place the third one at the mark of 2 inches tall also. I'm gonna score again my cake with the help of my turntable. Now that I already marked the cake, I'm gonna use again my long knife and I'm gonna cut across. Keep on spinning your turntable, and that's gonna help with cutting the cake. Do the same at the middle of the cake to create more layers. The cake is ready. Now I'm gonna cover it with saran wrap until I'm ready to use it. Thanks for watching, and visit my website for more recipes and tutorials. Bye!